The steps for installing the front wheel's hydraulic disc brake are easy to understand. You just need to follow the steps in the video to remove the screws and reinstall them. The first step is to remove the brake lever screws. The second step is remove the straps. It should be noted that you need to unplug the interface of the brake sensing line. The third step is to remove the screws. The next step is simply to install all the screws and tie the wires. These are the complete installation steps for the front wheel's hydraulic disc brake.